Hi, thanks for visiting luscombemotors.co.uk, and Luscombe Suzuki are pleased to present this lovely Suzuki Swift Attitude, finished off in the superior white and on the 68 plate for sale. It's a one owner car and it's got a full service history as well. It's in immaculate condition. Previous owners had looked after it really well. There's no marks on the bodywork whatsoever. All alloy wheels are on tip-top condition, and the tread and the tyres are absolutely fantastic as well. You see it's got the carbon fibre effect trim around the bottom of the door sills, on the rear skirt and on the front skirt as well for you. Inside the car, got good room for your back seat passengers, and there's plenty of room in the front cabin as well for you. Front two windows I've got the electric, and on your dashboard you've got your analog as well as your digital dashboards, and you can scroll between the different menus at the bottom. Car comes with a CD player and radio, which has got Bluetooth on it as well, with your climate control, and you've got USB there so you can stream your music on it too. Lights are automatic. This only does just over 18,500 miles on the clock. They've been very well looked after. It does have a full service history, but we will do a full service on the car before you get it. You've got nothing to worry about for 12 months. We'll also do a 12-month MOT in it too for you. So again, you've got nothing to worry about for a full 12 months of ownership of the car. When you're on the website, please take time to look at the technician's appraisal video. I just showed you the parts of the car you don't normally see in the forecourt, like the condition of the brakes, condition of the battery. We'll do a ECU check to show there are no warnings on them, and bits and pieces like that, but the technician will go through it in very fine detail with you, so you can buy in full confidence that the car is in tip-top condition for you. Well, thanks very much for taking time to look at the video. If you have any questions on the car, please contact myself, Graham Lindsay at Luscombe Suzuki, or any of my Suzuki colleagues who are more than happy to help you. Thanks very much for taking the time.